In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize database page layout in Notion. We'll start right from a blank spot in your workspace and walk through the exact clicks you need, so you can control how your database pages look and feel. First, look to the upper left area of your Notion window and find the Create option. Go ahead and click on Create. This is where you usually start when you're adding something new to your workspace, and it gives you a fresh page to work with. Once that new page is open, click into the body of the page so your cursor is active and ready to type. Now, on that blank page, type /, then the word database with no spaces in between. So that's barn database. In Notion, the / command is your shortcut to almost everything, and typing database will bring up all the different database options you can create. After a moment, you'll see a menu appear with several database choices. From that menu, look for the option called Database Inline and click on it. An inline database means the database will sit directly inside your current page, alongside any other content you might add, instead of taking over the whole page. As soon as you click this, Notion will create a simple table-style database right where your cursor was. With the database now visible, move your attention to the top right corner of the database block. You should see a small settings icon, often represented by 3 dots or something similar. Click on this settings icon. This menu controls how the database behaves and appears, and it's where you'll find the tools to adjust your layout. Inside that settings menu, look for an option labeled More Settings and click on it. This expands the panel and reveals additional configuration options that aren't shown by default. Taking this extra step is important because the layout controls live inside this extended section. Once the additional options are visible, find the one that says Customize Page Layout and click on it. This is the key feature you need. When you open it, Notion will let you adjust how each individual database page is structured. From here, you can fine-tune the layout to match your workflow, whether you're managing tasks, notes, or projects.